look at this absolutely massive kit, the SU-35 Super Flanker in 1/8 scale. We finally have it on the workbench. Right, this is the one I've been waiting for, the SU-35, the Super Flanker. Absolutely stunning artwork on the box, and the mouldings look brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Look at this, the SU-35 MK2 Super Flanker, 1/8 scale. It's massive and the detail looks incredible. Look at that. The flanker box is absolutely huge, nearly a 1-to-1 scale with my face. And here we have it, the back of the Super Flanker box. Really nice details on the specs and paint guides as expected. As you can see, this is the highly anticipated SU-35 Super Flanker, and I can't wait to dive into the details. Fantastic. The detail on these runners is incredible. This is the SU-35 MK2 Super Flanker box art. Absolutely stunning detail on the camouflage pattern here, as you can see. .45, 46, hang on. Are you serious? This must be 70 bags. Right, where on earth do I start with all this? I might need a bigger desk. Oh. What really sets this SU-35 kit apart is the surface detail. If you look closely at these rivets along the flank, the texture is just superb. Right, so if we look at the radar cross-section diagram here, you'll notice the intakes are particularly challenging when it comes to signature management. And there we have it. The SU-35 sub-assembly is complete. Looks absolutely brilliant, spot on. Pay close attention because the craftsmanship on this SU-35 is second to none. Right then, let's look at the SU-35. The cockpit details here are absolutely brilliant, and the thrust vectoring on these engines is just superb. Right then, I'm calling it a day on the SU-35 for now. Thanks for tuning in. Goodbye.